everyone and welcome back to another video. So guys, it's around 11:30 in the morning. So we are heading to Morjim. We are right now at Arambol. So we'll be heading out to Morjim. So stay with us. Let's go and see how it is. Right? See you guys. Happens guys, when you travel in groups you will be able to travel, but the thing is पहला आदमी जल्दी चले जाता है and the last person will be left back, and that's what happened with us. So Preetham and the other friend went quite far away. We are not able to see them anywhere near, and we are still back. We were just filling the fuel because the fuel levels on the bike were really low, so we thought we'll fill the fuel. So we are heading to Morjim. Let's see if we can find them on the way, or we will find them exactly at the beach. I'm not sure. And by the way, there were cops that were checking all the bikes, and they were also checking for the people in case if anyone is drunk and drive. So I recommend you guys. Yeah, I also recommend you guys to wear mask, because in case if you don't have a mask and if you are roaming in Goa, there are a lot of chances where you might be fined for that. So keep that in mind when you come to Goa, especially in the recent times. So yeah.
What's up?
So wow, it's lovely over here, guys. It's really amazing. As you can see, I'll just show you around. Okay. There is no one. Beyond this point, there is no one. I guess this is the end for the Morjam beach, and this, another beach starts from here. So see, that's where all the shacks are. That's where people just chill. And I did not expect to come this far, and it's wonderful, guys. It's been a memorable experience coming this far, and having a great time. I can't tell it in my words, guys. This is awesome. Yeah, I'm really liking it. So guys, I hope this was a wonderful ride that you enjoyed throughout Morjam Beach, and if you did, please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up. So it will really help me, guys. I hope you understand. And so now we will just go and try to find our friends and probably sit in a shack and just have our food, because we did not have anything from morning, and I don't think so it's easy to find them, because I don't know where they are. Okay, so I'll just go and search. So meanwhile, these are our bikes. We have one Dio, we have one Activa, and on an off season it will probably cost you 350 rupees to have a bike rented, and I recommend you to carry your driving license for ID proof in case if you want to rent a bike. And for these bikes, because we were taking it in the season which is in December, end of December probably, so they costed 500 rupees each. So we also tried to check with a couple of places, and the price was just the same. So it's not an issue. We just took it. We had to, because as you know, from past 2-3 days we are just walking. We're just walking to the beaches. We are walking to the places, and it's been a hassle. It wasn't easy. So we thought, chalo bike le lete. It's just for 2 days. We'll be staying here. So yeah, that's how it is. So yeah, let me go. Let me go find my friends, and we will probably sit at a shack. We are just sitting at the shack right now at Morjam Beach. It's very hot outside, so probably we thought we will just have our lunch, because we do not have our breakfast also. So we'll have our lunch, and then we'll see where we'll head to. And our friends are still missing, so we're just searching for them. We have given them the location, so probably they should be here in a couple of minutes. So I ordered a chicken fried rice, and I'll see if I need some a starter as well. Let's see. So I'll have my food and we'll head out. So guys, this would be a view from Morjam Beach. I hope you liked it, and if you liked the video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next vlog, guys.